In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freebie on Kit. We're going to walk through the full process, from opening up your form or landing page to attaching your free download so it's automatically delivered when someone signs up. By the end, you'll have a simple, professional setup ready to grow your email list. First, log into your Kit account and look for the main navigation. Find the section labeled Grow, and from there, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your sign-up forms and landing pages live, and it's the place you'll always come back to when you want to manage or edit your freebies. Next, you're going to create something new. On this page, click the Create New button, then choose whether you want to make a form or a landing page. A form is great if you're embedding it on an existing website or blog, while a landing page works well if you want a standalone page you can link to from social media, ads, or your bio. Pick the option that fits how you plan to share your freebie. Once you've chosen, you'll see a list of templates. Select a template that matches the style and layout you like. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect at this stage, because you can customize the text and design. After selecting a template, go ahead and edit your copy. Update the headline so it clearly explains what your freebie is and why it's valuable. Adjust the description to tell people what they'll get, and make sure the call to action button clearly invites them to sign up. When your basic content looks good, it's time to connect your freebie file. Look for the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear, and click it. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Incentive. This is where you control what happens after someone subscribes. Inside the incentive settings, choose the option for Download. This tells Kit that you want to deliver a file automatically. Then upload your freebie file, whether it's a PDF, an image, or another supported format. Try to use a final, polished version of your file so you don't have to replace it later. After your file is uploaded and everything looks good, click Save to make sure your changes are stored. Finally, click Publish. Once it's published, your form or landing page is live, your freebie is attached, and you're ready to start sharing the link and growing your audience.